MD in Italy. Then what? Let's talk about the future after you have completed your medicine and surgery degree in Italy, because it's bright and full of options. Option 1. Practice in India. License exam. Many Indian students choose to come back home after graduating. Your Italian MD degree is valid in India, but you have to give the FMGE examinations, which is a screening test, in order to get the license and practice in India. This exam is required for all foreign medical graduates. The Italian curriculum is solid and WHO recognized, so some focused prep on Indian medical protocols or maybe a coaching course for the exam that is easy to pass. Once you do, you are eligible for internship and house surgency in India. Then you can go for your NEET PG or next PG depending upon the system in place when you graduate. Many Italian alumni are working as successful doctors in Delhi, Mumbai, etc. Some may even say their international exposure helped them to stand out in job interviews. Option 2. Pursue postgraduate specialization in Italy or Europe. Italy offers specialization residency programs too. And as an Italian MD graduate, you can compete for those just like EU citizens. If you get in, your residency is often free and paid. Yes, many Europeans' residency pay a stipend. Alternatively, you can try your PG in other European countries as your degree is EU recognized. So you might go to say Germany or UK. A seniors of yours might finish MD program in Pavia, then do a cardiac surgery residency in Berlin or a ER specialty in London. The European Union's equivalents open a lot of doors. Option 3. US and other countries, USMLE, PLAB. If your dream is the US, your Italian MD degree makes you eligible for the USMLE, the US licensing exam. In fact, some Italian medical universities have a bit of a research and a clinical elective time which you could use to do a rotation in US, gaining for US letters of recommendation. We have seen graduates match into US residency from Italy as well. Similarly, you could take PLAB, the UK licensing exams, and other licensing exams globally. Global mobility is a big plus of an Italian degree. It's respected worldwide. Option 4. Stay in Italy, work or research. Not everyone rushes into specialization. Some do masters or PhD. Italy has research opportunities, especially in the field like genetics and neuroscience. Some might work in healthcare consulting, NGOs, or take a year to prepare for an exam, or while working in part-times or doing a research fellowship. Italy also allows you, after graduation, to work as a general physician with some procedure to enroll in the medical register. Perhaps you will fall in love with Italy and decide to settle. Specialization or medical practice. They can lead to a permanent career and even long-term residency or citizenship. It's comforting to know that your choices remain open. You're not locking yourself out of India or anywhere by studying in Italy. Think of it as getting a global passport in medicine. Initially, parents worried, will my child be stuck in abroad? Will they be able to return back? Yes, absolutely. Another scenario, you might start with a plan to return, but after experiencing healthcare in Italy, you might decide to build your career there or elsewhere. That's fine too. It can be a bit scary not knowing where you will be in the 6 or 7 years, but guess what? That's the case for medical graduates everywhere. But the key is Italy gives you a strong foundations and a recognized degree. The world is truly open. Still confused about the long-term path? Want to hear the real examples of what graduates did after completing their MD in Italy? DM MBBS Italy. We can share alumni stories and connect you with the recent grads, whether they are back in India practicing for NEET PG or in US for USMLE or practicing in Europe. Plan your endgame from the start with confidence.